Okay, we'll take out the dipstick. Set it on a paper towel. You notice that it has a narrow end at the end of this funnel. See it? Should go right into that hole. It's not perfect, but it'll work. So let's pour it in slow. Don't want to overdo it. It might come back up out of there. Okay. I think you can see it. She's got it all go in there. She hasn't backed up any. Turn my hand around here. She hasn't backed up. Wait a minute. I see a drop there. Hasn't dripped out, but there's a drop there. Very small drop there. Okay, I'm going to finish pouring it in. Didn't drip out, but there was some out around the lip of where you put the cover back on. Just a drop. Okay, there's your oil. It's in. We'll put the cover back on, the dipstick back in, I mean. Let's make sure that's going to be right in there. It is going in properly. That one has an O-ring already on it.